Are you spending hours of time in completing your Erasmus Plus application? Maybe the KA220. Now we have built an AI application that is going to help you save countless hours of time and complete the entire application in just 30 minutes or even less. Let me log in with my username and I'm going to walk you through how this application works. Registering to the application is entirely free. You can explore the different ways of creating a proposal. However, to create a proposal, there is going to be a pricing associated with it because there is loads of AI functionalities that go into the process of creating a proposal for you. So let me walk you through the entire process so that you know what are all of the different capabilities of the platform and how to use them. We are going to start by inserting the details of the project that we want to create. So in this example, I'm going to be creating an AI academy. Now, I'm not really sure what I want my project idea to be, so I'm just going to go on the AI generate. The AI generate is going to generate a project description for me. Once this is done, I can continue with the other parts of the application. In the meantime, I'm going to change the months of this application. I'm going to make them to 12 months, and I'm also going to change the budget. I'm going to make this budget a budget of only 200,000. Now, here we have the project idea from our AI Academy. I can go through this, modify it however I want, and then I can also create AI generate again, and it will take the modifications that I have made and improve them maybe with the instructions that I add here. So now once this is done, I'm going to click on the next. Here we have the ability to add our or lead organization that is going to be us or a different partner and different partners that we want. The partners are managed in a separate section. I will show you that in a second. But for the sake of time, I'm going to go through this section already with some pre-configured test data. Once everything is inserted, I'm going to go to next and select the priorities that are vertical and horizontal for the EU. Now, the AI that we're using is going to take into consideration all of these priorities and generate the answers to your proposal accordingly. So let's click on next, and let's fill in the last information that is required for the AI to get the context that it requires. So let's say teachers, but I can be as detailed as I want here. Obviously, the more detail that we add, the better the answers of our application are going to be. So this is the kind of landing page of our application. Right here, we can start generating the different answers to the application. So the application is divided into these 27 questions. Each one of these questions has special instructions that are going to let you create the answer that is tailored to your project, to the context that we have inserted, the instructions on how to answer this, and other different requirements and criteria that are going to make this answer ideal for this question. So we have generated an answer. I'm going to save this answer and move on to the next question if I agree with this. Additionally, I can also add some additional context to change the generation of this answer in the way that I want. Now, back in my overview, as I complete the different questions, I can go to the quality score and check the score of my application and see how it is going against different criteria such as the relevance, partnership, impact, management, and so forth. All of these are official Erasmus Plus criteria that have been embedded into the AI thinking. Once I have answered a few more questions, I can recalculate the score and see how the scoring is going with my application. Right now, I have only answered one question, and yeah, the score is still too low. Once I have answered all of my different questions, and I have generated as well a work plan for all of the different partners involved with budget allocation and task allocation, I am ready to submit my application. Created for us. This is the work plan that has been created with us with the partner allocation and the milestones. Now, the partners can be managed right here, and we have a great way of scraping information from the internet from about your partner. So all you need to do is insert the URL of your partner, and our AI is going to collect as much information as possible about that partner and help you match that partner with the proposal that you are creating. We have also created a Erasmus resource page where you are going to find lots of useful and official links that are going to help you evaluate, test, learn more about the application process, about other projects, and so forth. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you would like to try out this application, I will leave the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you get your grant for Erasmus+.